Hello students, this video is based on HTML tags that are the text formatting elements which we use in HTML. So this particular topic belongs to standard 11, lesson number 3, impressive web designing. So we have so many text formatting elements here like U tag, B tag, I tag. So these are all the text formatting elements which we see here. So by this we can just format the text as per our requirement. To make your text bold, we will use the bold tag. Then to make it italic, we are going to use I tag. Then underline, to underline you will use U tag. Next is small size. So by default there is a specific size, and if you use a small tag, then you will get it a bit smaller than your by default size. Next is sub tag. So sub, whatever you write in the sub, that will be displayed one step below, and whatever you write in superscript, that is sup tag, that will be placed one step above the text line. Next is INS. INS means if you want to display any type of text, so it is called as inserted tag. So it has an underline below it. So this is how INS output looks. Next is del, that is delete. So whatever text you want to delete, a strike will come on it. So that is how del works. And next is mark tag. It is used to highlight the specific program. So let us do the practical demo which is available in the textbook. So the same program we'll be doing. So this is HTML, then the next is head. After that we have title. We'll be giving a title like example of HTML5. Formatting tags. So this is what is the title which we will be giving, and it will be displayed on the title bar. Okay, and after that we'll just end the title. Okay, so I'm going to end my title here. After that we'll be ending the head tag, and then we'll be starting the body tag. So inside the body we'll be using different types of formatting text. So here I'll be using B, so it will be this text is bold. Okay, whatever you'll write in B tag, it will be displayed as a bold B, and then I'll be using a BR tag. So we use BR tag to break a line. If I want that the next line should come on another line, so I'll use a BR here. So next is I tag. So this text is italic. So now I'll be changing it italic, and I'll end the I tag, and then I'll end the BR tag. Okay, so next is U tag, that's underline tag. So this is underlined text. So by you can give an underline to your text, and then we'll end the BR tag. After that we have the mark tag. So whatever you write in the mark, so it is going to be highlighted. So this is marked text. So we'll be writing it in this manner, and then end the mark. Next, after that we have a superscript and subscript tag. So this is how it's written. This is sub. Now you want it to be down, so you'll be writing it in sub, that is subscript. Okay, and I'll end the sub. So all these text formatting tags are the container tags. You have to end them. Okay, and soup. Okay, so here I'll be writing superscript. So then again I'll be ending the soup, and then I'll be using a fresh BR tag here. Next is INS tag. So this is an inserted text. So this is similar to your bold underline tag. Even in INS tag you get a underline down. So this is an inserted text. Next is del. So here we'll be seeing how the deleted text will look. So this is an deleted text. So I'll be ending the del tag here, and now we are just going to end the body as well as the HTML tag here. So this is how the demo is given in the textbook. So that demo program we are trying to prepare, and some other program is also uploaded on this channel. You can watch those programs too. So I'll just save this program. We'll save as the program. So save as. So this will be demo.html. So this is, I'll be saving it on desktop, and then we'll run the program. So here you can see the output. So this is how the output is displayed. Same output you can see in your textbook, very similar you can see in the textbook. So here is the output. You can see the output. The same program we have executed in this video, and this is the code of it. So you can see whatever you have written in superscript, it is coming down. So superscript it will come up, and in the mark it will be marked as, or it might be highlighted. So this is how it's going to work. So if you want to give a BR here, you can give a BR here, means superscript and subscript line will come down. Okay, this is how it appears. So this is all about the demo 1 program which was a part of your textbook. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.